The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Covering over 2.7 million square miles across 9 countries, it is home to millions of species of plants and animals. This rainforest is home to an incredible array of wildlife, from tiny insects to large predators. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. Some of the most iconic species found in the Amazon rainforest include the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, and the harpy eagle, one of the largest birds of prey in the world. But the Amazon rainforest is also home to many lesser-known species, such as the red ant, the Amazonian manatee, and the poison dart frog. The Amazon rainforest is home to many species of ants, including the infamous red ant. These tiny insects are known for their painful bites and aggressive behavior. Red ants live in colonies that can contain thousands of individuals, each with their own specialized role in the group. These ants are skilled builders and can construct impressive nests using a combination of plant material and their own saliva. And despite their small size, red ants are formidable predators, using their powerful jaws to capture prey much larger than themselves. Amazonian River runs through the heart of this incredible forest, the largest river in the world by volume and length. It runs over 4,000 miles through the heart of South America, from the Andes Mountains in Peru to the Atlantic Ocean in Brazil, and is fed by over 1,000 tributaries. The Amazon River is not only a vital source of water for the rainforest, but also provides livelihoods for many local communities who depend on it for fishing and transportation. Piranhas live here, which are the deadliest predators. The Amazon rainforest is home to many species of fish, including the notorious piranha. These carnivorous fish are known for their sharp teeth and aggressive behavior. Piranhas have powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth that can quickly tear through flesh. While these sharp-teethed fish are often portrayed as vicious man-eaters in popular culture, they typically feed on smaller fish and invertebrates. They are an important food source for many indigenous communities in the Amazon, and are also popular among sport fishermen. However, feeding piranhas in the wild can be dangerous and is strongly discouraged, as it can disrupt their natural feeding behaviors. Whether feared or admired, piranhas are a fascinating and important part of the Amazon rainforest ecosystem. The plant life of the Amazon rainforest is equally diverse and fascinating. From towering trees to tiny flowers, the rainforest is a botanical wonderland. Some of the most impressive trees in the Amazon rainforest include the kapok tree, which can reach heights of up to 200 feet, and the Brazil nut tree, which produces some of the largest nuts in the world. But the Amazon rainforest is also home to many unique and unusual plants, such as the giant water lily, which can support the weight of a small child, and the Venus flytrap, which catches and digests insects. Unfortunately, the Amazon rainforest faces many threats, both natural and man-made. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade are just a few of the challenges that threaten the rainforest's survival. Deforestation is perhaps the biggest threat to the Amazon rainforest. Every year, millions of acres of rainforest are destroyed to make way for agriculture, logging, and mining. Climate change is also a major threat to the Amazon rainforest. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can have a significant impact on the rainforest's delicate ecosystem. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the Amazon rainforest and have gained a greater appreciation for the wonders and challenges of this vital ecosystem. From its incredible diversity of plant and animal species to its vital role in regulating the world's climate, the Amazon rainforest is truly one of the most important places on Earth. If you enjoyed this documentary, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest releases. And don't forget to like and share this video to help spread the word about the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest.